What if someone simply showed you what to do next? And I'm not talking about another opportunity, not another YouTube video. I'm simply talking about a simple way to know what to learn, where to start, what actually works, and how to build income one step at a time. Now, most people are simply overwhelmed by too many choices and not enough direction. And that's why in today's video, I want to share something created for people who are tired of guessing, tired of feeling stuck, and ready to start building a future with more income, more skills, and more option. So if that sounds like you, please stay with me because I think this could be exactly what you've been looking for. So what exactly is this? Over the last few months, while I have been sharing global opportunities here on YouTube, I've also been quietly building something behind the scene for you guys. And it's called Anywhere Income Academy. And today we have the pre-launch founding member applications are officially open. One thing I want you to know right now from the start is that this is a global community. So whether you are watching from any part of Africa, Europe, North America, or somewhere else in the world, you are welcome. Why I created this is because there are certain opportunities that I simply can't share publicly on YouTube. Not because they are a secret, but the moment they are exposed to hundreds of thousands of people, they become overcrowded overnight. And you can attest to it. So remote opportunities also have regional restrictions, and I have to be careful about how I share them, especially for members of this community in different parts of Africa and around the world. Inside the community, you would learn skills and understand how to apply it correctly. You'll also get to be around like-minded individuals, holding each other accountable, learning and growing together. And most importantly, you will have direct access with me through our community discussions, live sessions, and Q&As, so you're not left alone trying to figure things on your own. Another thing that I'm really excited about is that if you genuinely enjoy what you're learning in the community and you decide to recommend a friend or a loved one or someone in your community, you have the opportunity to earn doing that. In fact, you will be able to keep 60% of every successful referral. It's completely optional. Some people will join simply to learn, while others may decide to learn and also to create another income stream by sharing something they genuinely believe in. And the choice is entirely yours. Now, since this is our first cohort, we are opening the doors for foundation members. And as a foundation members, aside being the first to join early, you will also be helping to shape the culture of this community from day one. So if you believe you are ready to stop consuming information and you want to start building something for yourself, I'd love to welcome you as one of our first set of members. Applications are now officially open, and because this is our very first cohort, you'll also be joining at the foundation member price. It is a one-time payment, no monthly subscription, no annual renewals. Once you are in, you are in. And as the community grows and new learning path or workshop and resources are added, you will continue to have access to them all. When the foundation member period closes, as the pre-launch phase, the price also goes with it. So if this feels like a next step that you've been waiting for, comment the word AIA below, and also you'll find the application link pinned to the comment section or in the description below. Endeavor to click on it. Now, the founding price would not last for long, so please take advantage of this opportunity, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.